Hey guys, congratulations for completing this course and taking that first step into the journey of Power BI. So, if you still have any questions or if you want to ask something, please feel free to use the Q&A section. And still, if you need help, you can connect with me on my LinkedIn profile, as I mentioned earlier during the introduction. As the next step, what you should do is you should go ahead and do a lot of practice. You can take up some projects and work from your office itself or do some freelancing and try to have as many practice as you can. Once you feel comfortable and confident, you can go for PL 300 exam, which is Microsoft Data Analyst examination, which is directly from Microsoft, and Microsoft will certify you as a Power BI data analyst once you pass that exam. And it's not costly as well. It will increase the credibility. Also, you will get some skills around Power BI. So those should be your next step. That is what I would recommend. Provide your valuable feedback and review. Make sure you leave the review and constructive feedbacks around the course so that we can keep improving the course as per your feedbacks. Thank you so much, guys. Also share particular course to your friends and family who would also want to learn Power BI and start the journey into Power BI and data analysis. See you soon in the next course. Till then, take care and bye for now.